Hello everyone. In the last session, we talked about how we can make stacked bar charts. In this session, we'll be talking about what is a side-by-side bar chart and how you can make it. A side-by-side bar chart is also known as the clustered bar chart. It is a type of data visualization which is used to compare multiple categories within different groups or subgroups. It's particularly useful when you want to show the relationship and the comparisons between two or more sets of data. So if you go in the show me menu, here you can find this side by side bar chart at number 9. So to create a side by side bar chart, you need one or more dimension and also one or more measure. It requires at least of 3 fields as it is listed down over here. So let's see how we can create this and how it is different from the stacked bar chart. So first what we will do is we look at one stacked bar chart and see how it would be looking like when we would be converting it into a side by side bar chart. So let's go in the sheet one where I'm having this stacked bar chart. We have already talked about this stacked bar chart in the last session. Over here, we were looking at how categories are divided into different subcategories and then what is the sum of sales between these subcategories. And it was showing with the help of these color scheme, which is present on the right hand side. These colors denote some subcategories. So what would happen if I turn this into a side by side bar chart? Let's look at it. If I go in the show me menu and choose this side by side bars, what would happen is each subcategory that is right now shown with the help of different color would turn into a single bar and then it would be showing at the side of each bar. Let's see. So it is looking like this now. So right now I'm having this subcategories divided into different bars and then each of them is divided into a different section. These sections are defining this categories. So as you can see over here right now, the furniture is given and the furniture is the category. Now it is divided into multiple subcategories, that is the bookcase, chairs, furnishing and tables. And right now it would be very easy for us to compare that under this category, which subcategory is making the maximum of sales. So if you want to look at it in this way, you can try to see the various sales in different kind of subcategories. Now let's try to create it from scratch. How we can do it? I'll go in sheet 2 and this time what we will be doing is I'll be trying to compare different measures. Let's say we will be trying to compare two measures over here. If I'm talking about measures, let's say I'm trying to find out the profit and the sales within different segments. So I'll double click on this segments also. It is right now showing me in the form of this scatter plot. I don't want to see it in the form of scatter plot. I'll go in show me menu and I'll choose this side by side bar. Over here, what it will do is it would create different segments. Right now I'm having this 3 segments: consumer, corporate and home office, and it would show me these measures under that with the help of these side by side bars, and these are represented by different colors. You can see this orange color is showing us sales, whereas this blue color is showing us profit. I'll fit it into the entire view, and right now I can see that each bar is giving me the profit and sales. So you can easily compare different measures with the help of this side by side chart. If you want to change the color of these, what you can do is you can go in the colors, you can click on edit colors, and here you can choose the different kind of colors. Let's say for profit, you want to show it with the help of green color. So I'll double click on this profit. I can choose green color over here, click on OK. And sales, I want to show it in different color. Let's say sales, I want to show in the blue color. So I can choose blue from over here also. No need to double click on this. You can easily assign the color from this particular palette over here. Click on apply. OK. And now the colors have been changed. As we have changed the colors, you can see what different kind of visualization right now it is looking compared to the previous. So it is very important to look at the colors, what kind of role they are playing in to our visualization, and how the formatting is done. So formatting is a major aspect when we are talking about the data visualization. Let's say I want to see the labels, like what is the sales happening over here. All I'm doing is comparing it with the help of this y-axis and the value that are present in this y-axis. So to turn on the labels, I can click on this label option, click on show marks label, and it would then show me what are the different values. Let's try to create another type of side-by-side bar chart. This time I'll be comparing different measures. Let's say I'm trying to calculate the profit versus what is the discount that has been given. So let's double click on this discount, double click on this profit, and we are looking at for different categories. So I'll double click on these categories and I'll change it to the side-by-side chart. So you can see the discounts and profits over here. Right now it is giving me only 3 values because there are 3 categories that are present in this category option. Let's try to divide it into various subcategories. For that, I'll double click on this subcategories also. And here you can easily find out which subcategory is giving you the negative profit. So here the tables is the one which is giving me the negative profit. So this kind of side by side bar charts is very easy to interpret. If the value of the discount was high and it was giving me the negative profit, then I could have thought something about like how I can control this discount, which would in turn let me increase my profits, as right now it is going in the negative. So what I can do over here is, right now the discount is given as 250, so I can even try to decrease the discount to increase my profit over here, or at least bring it to zero. But right now it is seeming to be like not of any use. So we will try any different thing over here, and we're trying to find out what is the thing that is leading us to the negative value of profit in particular tables option over here. When we will be going to the next session, we will be talking about how we can identify these values with the help of data visualization and control this loss. You can also try to change the background colors, and you can edit these grid lines that are showing over here. For that, you can right click on this visualization. You can go in the format option, and we have talked about various options that are present over here. We have this font option, we have alignment option, we have the colors option, and we have this lines option. The line options would be used to control these grid lines, marks lines, and the other trend lines that would be showing in our visualization. And with the help of borders, you can also apply the borders to each part. So it would be similar to whatever we have talked in the previous session for the formatting. So I hope you try this formatting and try to make this graph visually more appealing and good. So this was all for this session. We'll be meeting in the next session where we'll be talking about a different kind of visualization.